Let's see how we can test an unknown sample for ammonium ions. Now let's imagine for a second that you're given a sample. You have no idea whether this thing has any ammonium ions or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to add a few drops of sodium hydroxide in there. Yeah, there we go. Now, let's say, for example, that our unknown sample indeed has some ammonium ions. So let's pick sodium chloride, for example. Sorry, ammonium chloride. So we have ammonium chloride, and you just added sodium hydroxide in there, right? Now we're going to have three things: water, salt, and we're going to have a gas that is basic in nature, ammonia. So we're going to have water, we'll have salt, and we'll have NH3, ammonia, which is basic in nature. Now the thing is, this salt is obviously going to dissolve in water, and we're not really testing for this. But we can easily test the nature of the gas being made using a litmus paper. Now, ammonia is basic in nature, pH above 7. So when you heat the sample, let's say we heat this up and we can clearly see a gas being produced, we can test the nature of this gas using a red litmus paper. Ammonia is basic, so it's going to turn that red litmus paper, changes colors to blue. Let's see if that happens. Yeah, right, there we go. So the red litmus paper changed colors from red to blue, which clearly indicates that we have a gas, which is ammonia, being produced. And if we have ammonia being made, it means that our sample, the one that we are running this test on, has ammonium ions in it. So this was a positive result. Now let's run this entire thing on sample B. Again, same story. You add sodium hydroxide, you heat this up and see if you're going to have any gas that is basic in nature, ammonia. Now you test this using a red litmus paper. If it changes colors, we have ammonia and our sample probably has ammonium ions. But remember, if you don't have any ammonia gas being made, the sample that we're dealing with probably doesn't contain any ammonium ions. Let's heat this up and let's check. It didn't change anything, any colors, so we clearly have our conclusion that our sample contains no ammonium ions, and hence no ammonia gas was made. No ammonia gas is made.